Good morning students, welcome to Adari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Here are second lecture of technical analysis where we will learn about advantages of technical analysis. The first point of advantages of technical analysis is trend analysis. Generally, it is the biggest advantages of technical analysis. Actually, it helps to investor and trade predict the trend of the market. Means there are three trends: there are uptrend, downtrend, and sideway, which is more the market easy to predict with the help of chart analysis. So this is our first advantage. The second one is entry exit point. In these advantages, the time play important role. Because the trading and investing, because when we have to trade and when we have to investing, so the time is very important. With the help of technical analysis, every trader and investors can predict the right time to enter and exist in trading. So this chart pattern, candlestick pattern, and moving averages and Elliott wave theory and other indicators are very useful for our trade to make entry and exit easily. The next point is provide early signal. Means technical analysis gives very early signals or points in picture about the psychology of investors and traders regarding what they are doing. Means price volume also indicate the price movement, and every market makers and their activities related to our particular market. So it focus on our price. Next point is quick and less expensive. Yes, this technical analysis is less expensive as compared to our fundamental analysis, because fundamental analysis need to maintain different records, reports like common comparative balance sheet, the balance sheet, receipt and payment side. So it is a free charting software. So every technical analysis give a quick result for traders who use 1 minute, 5 minutes or 30 minutes, even 1 hour for this chart. So this is a very easy. Next point is provide lots of information. Yes, this technical analysis provide us lots of informations. Means in other words, we said that history price clarity also included here. It is very easy to look at the past price, because the charts then in tabular form given us different information related to our prices. So visual reading is very comfortable than tabular reading. So looking at chart give more comfort and understand whether the security is trading at bottom, mid or top. So market reactions before after important event is indicate here. Past and present volatilities indicate here. Relative strength of security also indicate here. So it's provide us lots of information. The next point is disadvantages of technical analysis. Yes, the first point is biasness. Biasness means technical analysis is not hardcore science, because it is a subjective in nature, and your personal biasness can be reflected in our analysis. So it is important to be aware of these biases when analysis a chart. So every analyst is a perpetual bull, then a bullish bias will overshadow the analysis. In our next video, we are explain this overshadow and what mean by shadow in our chart. So this is our first disadvantage, that biasness. Next one is different interpretation. Yes, it is a technical analysis, it's a combination of science and art. Now, before we start our technical introduction of technical analysis, that first statement is it is our art and science. So it's always open to interpretation. Even though there are standard, many time two technicians will look at the same charts paint and two different scenarios is available for different pattern. So both will be able to come up with logical support and resistance level as well as a break to justify their position. So it's have a different interpretation according to different people. Next point is too late. Yes, if you can criticize the technical analysis for being too late by the time the trend is identified. So after such a large move, the reward to risk ratio is not generated. So getting very near to top and bottom for entry, exits respectively it is possible due to Elliott or new wave theory, the studies are become a late, so it's called as a too late. Next one is always new level. Technical analysis always wait for another new level, means every trend has been identified, there is always another important level which is close at hand. So, technicians have been accused of sitting on the fence and never taking an unqualified stance. So, even if they are bullish, there is always some indicators which actually show or some level that will qualify their opinion. Last disadvantages is traders remorse, means an array of pattern and indicators arise while studying the technical analysis. Not all the signals were instance, means a sell signal is given when the neckline of a head and shoulder pattern is broken. So, even though this is a rule, it is not steadfast and can be subject to other factors such as a volume and momentum. So, it sometimes create a trader's remorse. So, these are some disadvantages and advantages of technical analysis. I hope you understand guys it very well. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.